This is what the approval process looks like in most organizations. We call it the N structure, and it's one of the biggest issues facing companies today. Work gets created on this side of the N. This could be your internal creative group, this could be your outside agency. These are the people who are creating the work. The work gets started down here, usually by a freelancer. The freelancer shows it to the creative team shows it to the creative director shows it to the creative supervisor. If this was an ad agency, you would go all the way up to the ad agency president, and then you go down to the lowest person on the management side. And the summer intern shows it to the assistant brand manager, who shows it to the brand supervisor, who shows it to the CMO, and then you go up into the C-suite. And usually, somewhere right around here, a strategy conversation breaks out. Why are we doing this? Didn't somebody tell the marketing department that we're discontinuing that product next year? Basically, no one from this point up has actually paid attention to any of your marketing plans up to date. Now, eventually you get to the person who says yes. But along the way, every person in this process is going to ask for a change. So if this person doesn't like what this person wrote, they're going to say rewrite it. If this person doesn't like the rewrite, they're going to rewrite it again. And so it's not a straight process. It's actually a ping-ponging or yo-yoing back and forth to get it rewritten until somewhere along the line, someone says yes. There are 7 strategies for getting this end process under control. Some of them are personal, some of them are management, and some are systemic. But let's talk about 2 personal strategies you can start doing today that can get this under control. Strategy number 1 has to do with your comments. Everybody in this process thinks that they have to have either a comment or a criticism. But there's a third C, it's called compliments. They can say, wow, great, thank you for bringing me what I asked for. You don't need to make a criticism, you don't need to make a comment in order to demonstrate that you worked on the project. You can just say, nice job. So start thinking about adding the third C, compliments, to your approval process. The second thing you can do to get the process under control is to ask yourself the following question. Am I making it better or am I making it different? Is what I'm going to suggest going to add $1 more to our bottom line? And if the answer is no, don't make the comment, because there are enough changes that are going to go on. Those are just 2 of the strategies that you can employ to get this process under control. And when you do, it will free up huge amounts of time and resources within your organization, guaranteed.